Oh yeah, we are now trying to show you through the screen what the PTA of Kabuluan Elementary School this school year 2010 and 2011 had done at the early part of September, and these are the coconut seedlings that they have replanted in our what we call the green belt area of the school, Kabuluan Elementary School, found and located at the back of the school. So you can see on your screen the coconut seedlings being planted in replacement of the old coconut trees now existing in this area. So we have to move around with our camera to show you how far they have gone, how far the PTA members and officers of Kabuluan Elementary School had been doing right in the regreening program of the school. We only hope that these seedlings shall grow up and later on, some several years from now, it will be a replacement of the old trees, coconut trees that are now existing in this area of the school. So there you have it, the coconut seedlings being newly replanted by the PTA of Kabuluan Elementary School here at Balya